In Good Shape, your weekly dose of health information on DWTV. Find out more about what's new in medical treatment, alternative medicine, as well as nutrition and beauty. Medical professionals, therapists, and counselors are in our studio every week to offer their expert advice on In Good Shape.
And which wellness massages are really worth the money? That is a question for our guest in the studio today. Dr. Yael Adler is a dermatologist and knows which cosmetic ingredients really improve the skin. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Dr. Adler, there are a lot of expensive wellness treatments out there. Let's get started with venotherapy. Can a massage with grape extracts really help the skin, help the anti-aging process?
Well, grapes contain many antioxidants, and antioxidants are able to slow down aging. But just rubbing them onto your skin would not reach the target. The target is deep in the skin, in the dermis. This is a layer lying underneath the epidermis. So if you really want to get your antioxidants there, you should better eat grapes, drink wine, or, well, use these kind of ingestions.
Mm-hmm. Better than using it superficially.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And what about a massage with cocoa butter? Can that help the skin?
Yes, cocoa butter contains many valuable lipids, and for people with dry skin conditions like atopic dermatitis or psoriasis or just dry skin due to soaps and water, you really can restore the depots of lipids that you have in your upper horny layer. Your skin wants to be protected against environmental influences, and the lipids get lost sometimes, so you really can bring them back by putting on some chocolate or cocoa butter. For people with oily skin, acne-prone skin, you should avoid these kind of lipids because you may create more inflammation as the pores are clogged by cocoa butter.
Mm-hmm. So it depends on your skin, really. Mm-hmm. Well, there are a lot of substances out there. From your experience, what's really worth the money? Which substances do have a proven anti-aging effect?
There is one inexpensive substance called urea or carbamide, which is a natural moisturizing factor. Our body produces it itself, and you can add it, blend it in a cream or ointment or lotion, and this way keep water or moisture in your upper skin layer and again make it resistant against environmental influences, and also you prevent water loss from inside to outside. Mm-hmm. And additionally, you may use vitamins A, C and E. They are scientifically proven to really slow down aging.
Well, we've had a viewer writing to us, Roberta Sanchez from Argentina. She would like to know, when you get a wellness treatment, what's important when it comes to essential oils?
Essential oils are wonderful to relax, and a relaxed body and mind stays young. And it also increases the defense against infectious diseases because circulation is increased in your mucous membranes. For your skin, it may be a little bit dangerous because essential oils irritate the skin often and also may cause contact allergies, which means you get redness, itching, papules, blisters. So in sensitive skins and in allergic skins, you should avoid essential oils.
Mm-hmm. So if you go out to get a wellness treatment and you do have an expensive and an effective substance that you want your skin to absorb, what can you do to prepare your skin?
A well-moisturized skin is very receptive for any product. So you may go to sauna or take a steam bath, and this increases the level of moisture in your skin. So any product would much better diffuse into your skin. You also may use a greasy ointment, and it's used like a foil.
To keep the product in.
To keep it in and to even work it deeper.
Mm-hmm. Dr. Adler, can adding things like milk or honey to my bath really help rejuvenate my skin?
The so-called Cleopatra bath is a connection of, or a blending of milk and honey. And yes, it brings back lipids and vitamins to skin, to sensitive skin, even to skin from children. But it's not able to really renew any fibers or destroyed tissues. So it's not an anti-aging therapy.
What can I do if I want to do my skin some good whilst enjoying a bath?
Don't make it too hot and too long. Because then you would dry out your skin. You should also avoid perfumes and preservatives because they may irritate your skin. So just take a bath, relax, and afterwards put on a rich, high-fat content lotion, additionally maybe some urea, carbamide, and then you really reach what you want. You get lipids and you get moisture.
Well, we've talked a lot about cosmetics now, anti-aging. What other factors in your lifestyle are important when it comes to your skin?
Most important is to avoid sunlight. So use a sunscreen on a daily basis with a high sun protection factor around 30. Not only UVB irradiation, but also UVA should be in the sunscreen.
What would you say beyond sunscreen can you do if you want to do your skin some good, like a wellness treatment at home, basically?
Yeah.
What's your advice?
Don't buy yourself a solarium and avoid smoking. But afterwards, you may make yourself a peeling. You may grind some almonds or take some coarse brown sugar in yogurt and create a paste and put it on your face, wrap everything off, all the scales and plaques, and you will have a soft skin, and this is very cheap and easy. Additionally, you may take avocado connected with eggs, raw eggs, blend it again, you have lipids and vitamin E. Or you take yogurt, curd cheese, with honey. You again have vitamins and moisture.
Inexpensive wellness for home.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for being our guest today. Thank you.